Hello friends, I'm Alexius Varro, welcoming you to another journey into the art of Stoic living. Today, we're diving deep into understanding and clarifying our intentions, a fundamental Stoic practice that can significantly impact how we navigate through our modern lives. As we begin, let's consider a powerful insight from Seneca's On the Tranquility of the Mind. He writes, "So, any work must be directed towards some goal, towards achieving something. It is not effort that disturbs the restless, but false perceptions of things that incite the reckless." This quote underlines the importance of having a clear goal. Without clarity, our efforts can become scattered and ineffective, leading us to mental unrest and chaos. To put it simply, your efforts must have a destination. This isn't just about having ambitions or dreams, but about crafting a well-defined path to reach them. When we align our actions with our true intentions, we cultivate resilience and maintain our inner tranquility, even amidst life's turbulence. Now think about Law 29 from Robert Greene's book, The 48 Laws of Power, which states, "Plan all the way to the end." Greene emphasizes that by planning ahead, we aren't caught off guard by unexpected circumstances. Instead, we gently guide our fate and help determine our future by anticipating many steps ahead. This is similar to Stephen Covey's second habit from the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, which declares, "Begin with the end in mind." For many of us juggling personal and professional responsibilities, these principles can be game changers. Imagine starting your day with a vivid picture of what you want to achieve. This mental roadmap aligns your actions, helping you decide what to prioritize and what to let go. However, let's add a Stoic twist here. Simply visualizing the goal doesn't guarantee its achievement. No Stoic would endorse such a notion. Stoicism teaches us that while we don't control external outcomes, we do control our intentions and efforts. By clarifying our goals, we're positioning ourselves better for success, even though the final outcome may remain beyond our grasp. False opinions, or oasis, as the Stoics called them, not only disrupt our mental peace, but also lead to disorganized and ineffective actions. If we don't direct our efforts towards clear goals, we become victims of aimlessness. This lack of direction can cause us to feel overwhelmed and lost. It's like setting sail without a map. You might have the best boat and the strongest winds, but without knowing your destination, you're likely to drift in endless circles. So how can we apply this wisdom in practical terms? Start by asking yourself, 1. What do I truly want to achieve? Reflect deeply to understand your genuine aspirations, stripped of societal expectations. 2. Why is this goal important to me? Get to the core of your motivation. The clearer the why, the more purposeful your actions will become. 3. What steps can I take today to move closer to my goal? Break down your big goals into smaller, manageable actions. This makes the journey less intimidating and more actionable. By asking these questions daily, you fine-tune your focus and align your actions with your intentions. This daily practice fosters self-discipline and a calm mental state, empowering you to face life's uncertainties with resilience and grace. To our Stoic community, I encourage you to remain constantly vigilant against oasis, those false opinions that cloud your judgment and disrupt your peace. Remember, true tranquility comes from harmonizing your desires with reasoned intention. Thank you for joining me today on this deep dive into clarifying our intentions. Embrace this practice and witness how your life transforms. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into living a Stoic life. And as always, share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I love hearing from you all. Until next time, keep striving towards wisdom and tranquility. I'm Alexius Varro, helping you navigate life's complexities with the enduring wisdom of Stoicism. Let's continue this journey together.